Today I will show you how to switch between multiple Google accounts. To start, open Google. Then pick your profile icon and click on icon here. Here you can see other accounts, or use without account, add another account, or manage accounts on this device. But to switch between the accounts, you just have to click on the account you want to use. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.